Today we're making this cranberry salsa with jalapeno and lime. I'm trying to get some. To get started on making this fun fall salsa dish, we're gonna start with a bag of fresh cranberries. So we have our food processor. I'm gonna take the bag of fresh cranberries, put that right in here. Perfect. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna add it to our bowl here. Perfect, and now we're gonna add all of our salsa ingredients. We have red onion. We're gonna do half a red onion. Okay, we're gonna add our red onion to our cranberries. And next we're gonna do our jalapeno. So we have 4 jalapenos here. I'm gonna get rid of all the seeds before we chop them. So we're gonna chop up 2 of our jalapenos to add to our salsa. So we're adding our jalapenos to our mixture. So now we have our limes. We're gonna do fresh lime. Juice from 2 fresh limes. We're gonna do about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. We need to add a little bit of honey because our cranberries are bitter. So you need to make sure that you cut the bitterness, and we're gonna add some honey. So we're gonna mix this, give this a little toss. Look how beautiful this is. Again, perfect for holiday. Beautiful colors, red and green. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. And then we're gonna add a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 pepper. Give that a mix. And when you taste it, if you need to add a little bit more honey, you can. And of course, a little more salt if you need. Now I'm gonna clean this up and we'll plate it. So now it's time to plate this beautiful salsa here. So our cranberry salsa in this bowl. This is perfect for an appetizer at the holidays. Another way to use cranberries, and they're all over the stores around this time of year. Some fresh tortilla chips. Look at that. Beautiful, delicious, spicy, festive, all of the above. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite entertaining products.